Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I am Neha Paryani. In this session, let us discuss about the term which is in news nowadays. That is helicopter money. Firstly, it's necessary to understand the current economic condition of countries over the world. So due to coronavirus breakdown, most of the countries are facing lockdowns. And because of this, many countries are experiencing the situation of recession. And if this situation continues, there are the chances of economy going into depression. When this situation occurs in the country, the demand for all the products gradually decreases. The prices of all the products also decreases because people will not have money to spend even on necessities. So country may face deflation. In order to bring economy back on track, the consumption level of people has to be increased, due to which production can also be increased, demand may be created, and the country may come out of deflation. But how the consumption can be increased when people don't have money to spend? So in order to overcome this, the term helicopter money has been introduced. The term helicopter money is coined by an American economist, Milton Friedman. It denotes a helicopter dropping money from sky. So basically this term suggests the central bank of the country should print the currency notes in large sums and distribute it among central and state governments of the country. So when we talk about India, RBI should print the currency notes in large amount and it should be distributed among central and state governments, which in return the government do not have to pay it back to the central bank. It aims at dumping money into a struggling economy. So here it means that the money that is collected from central bank by the governments should be dumped or injected into the economy so that the supply of money can be increased, the consumption level of people can be increased, which will help the economy come out of deflation. Injecting the money into the economy can be done with the help of banks, financial institutions, wherein the loans can be provided at lower rate of interest, and even the open market operations can also be carried on by the central government. In India, Telangana State's Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao has suggested this concept for the state governments to revive economic growth. He also asked RBI to release 5% of India's total GDP as helicopter money. Other than that, the CII, that is Confederation of Indian Industries, has also recommended cash transfer of rupees 5,000 to all the account holders whose annual income is less than rupees 5 lakh. So this was yet another term from Commerce Dictionary. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button. You can also suggest me other terms for the simple meanings in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.